which is required for different competitive examinations and your semester curriculum. 5 questions we will be discussing, continuing from 36 to 40, because previously we have given 35 different program solutions at the end of the C session, and we have to continue few more sessions for that. First question is to check the string is a palindrome or not. Which string can be termed as a palindrome string? The original string, reverse string. If it is equal, that is called as a palindrome string. Suppose we enter madam, reverse of madam is again madam, hence it is a palindrome. Suppose I enter Sriram, the reverse of Sriram is not Sriram, and hence it is not a palindrome. We have taken str as a string variable, str1 as another string variable. We enter string str, that is madam, that will copy to another string, that is str1. Now we have to fix one string and we have to reverse another string. Str string is madam, is reverse, again it is madam, and str1 is previously, initially, original was madam. Madam is equal to madam, yes, because as we know, if two strings are equal in each and every character on basis of ASCII value, then the returning result is 0. Hence, 0 is equal to 0, yes. Hence, the string is a palindrome. If not equal to 0, then it is not a palindrome. If I want to run this program, you can run anywhere, but I am running it in the turbo compiler. Start running it. Suppose I enter Ram, it will display not palindrome. If I enter Madam, it will display it is a palindrome. If I enter Sriram, it will display it is not palindrome. Comes to the second question of the today's class. We have to concatenate two strings without using strcat function. We have taken str1 as a first string. Suppose I enter Sriram. str2 as the second string. Suppose I enter Shreyansh, and Sriram and Shreyansh will concatenate and display Sriram and Shreyansh. How it will be possible? Before concatenation, we display what is our original string. We enter Sriram Shreyansh, it displays Sriram and Shreyansh. Now I have to first count how many characters are there, and for this loop is taken. Stri slash equal to 0 means it will count the first string str1 Sriram is how many character? 6 character, means I will increment it 6. Now why it is? Because at the end of Sriram as just str1, the rest of the character in str2 will be added. Hence str2j, j is started with what? 0. 0th character is how much? S in Shreyansh string. So that will be added in str1. I's last character was 6. From the next character it will store, that is your I plus plus, means first it is 6. In 6 number location, which value will store? S in the Shreyansh first character will be stored. Then I incremented by 1, that is 7, and j incremented by 1, that is your 1. In str2 1th location, h is stored. H not equal to slash 0 because end of the string is represented by slash 0. Yes. Then str5 means in 7th location, what will store? The 1th location value of string 1, that is h will be stored. In this way, in str1, all the character of Shreyansh string will be added. When slash 0 will encountered in the second string, it will come out of the loop. Now str1 is terminated, that is slash 0. Now we have to display str1, it will display Sriram and Shreyansh. Hence we have not used any strcat function, but two strings are concatenated. If I want to run this code, what I have to do? Move to the specific online compiler and start running the program. Let me to take that code. One minute, please. Just you wait for a few seconds. Just few seconds, please. See this question. Suppose I enter Sri Ram, then I enter Shreyansh. Now the concatenate string will be Sri Ram and Shreyansh respectively. Then comes to the next one. Suppose we want to convert upper character into lower character and lower character into upper character, means count how many uppercase letter, lowercase letter and special character exists. Suppose we enter Sri Ram, some small character, some capital character and some special character. And we have to count how many upper character, how many lower character, how many special character is there. Here S and R, 2 upper character, RIAM, 4 lowercase character and 3, and space with space, star, dollar and hash are the 4 special character are there. How you will be checked? You have to for count how many character. So upper character, lower character and special character is taken as a 0 initially. Till when we have to continue? Till end of the string, that is /0. Now in the first character is how much? S as a capital letter. As capital letters ASCII value ranges within the capital A to the capital Z, small s ASCII value ranges from small a to the small z. Now this condition means true for the S as capital letter, and count U for counting uppercase letter is a user defined variable is incremented. Now comes to the next, that is small r. Now what is it? That is a small alphabet. Now what happens? Small r is in between A and Z? No. So it is in between what? That is your lower case. Hence R will be incremented as lowercase character count L. The next character like this continue when the style will read neither it is within the capital or small letter, means the special character S will calculate. In this way we calculate uppercase and lowercase and special character, and finally uppercase character is stored in count U, lowercase character is stored in count L and special character is stored in count S. It will display count uppercase, count lowercase and count special character respectively. If I want to run this code, what I have to do? Move to the specific online compiler and start running the program. Let's move to the environment and start running the program. Let's come to the just wait, please. I'm just carrying that code. Just wait. Just copy this set of code, move to the specific online editor and start running the program. Suppose I entered Sri Ram hash star and less than or parenthesis, it will display how many uppercase, how many lowercase, how many special character is being there. In the similar way, comes to the next question. we want to toggle each character, means if there is upper character, convert into lower. If there is a lower character, convert into upper. Suppose I enter Sriram, SRI in capital become small and RAM in small become capital. That is toggle. So we enter string as str and we have to continue till /0 or not equal to /null, not equal to null. Now first is read as S, first character. Now S is the capital letter. In capital letter, if you add 32, it will become small letter. If in small letter minus 32, it will become capital letter. Suppose we get A as a capital letter, 65. 65 plus 32 is 97 is the small letter. Suppose we get small a is 97 ASCII value. 97 minus 32 is 65. 65 is the ASCII value of the capital A. In this way, one character will read, and if it is within the capital letter A to the Z, the plus 32 will made for the capital small letter, and if it is within the small letter to the small z minus 32, it will become the capital letter. In this way, all the character of the string will be toggle. Capital becomes small and small becomes capital. When the end of the string will be encountered, it comes out of the for loop and the string will be displayed. If I want to run this program, then what we have to do? Copy this set of code, moves to the specific online compiler and start running it. Then moves to the specific online compiler and start running it. Suppose I enter Sri Ram, so Sri becomes small and the small Ram becomes the capital. Comes to the last question of the today's class. Suppose we enter some element, we have to count how many even number and odd number, and we have taken max size means 100, but at the runtime it asks how many elements, suppose 5, and we enter 5 values in array of 0, 1, 2, 3 and 5. Now for counting even number, we have taken two variables, one is even and odd, and initial value is 0. We have to continue how many times? 5 times. 0 is less than 5, yes. Array of 0 location is how much value we enter? 11. 11 modulus 2 equal to 0? No, it is an odd number. ODD will count, because for odd count ODD, for even count even is taken. Next is 22 in next location. 1 is less than n, yes. In 1th location 22. 22 modulus 2 equal to 0, yes. Even will count. In this way, if for even count, even will increment, for odd count, OD will increment. While 5 numbers will be tested, it will come out of the for, then it will display even and odd as the counting the even number and odd number in the array. If I want to run this program, then what I have to do? Copy this set of code if it is being there. Otherwise, moves to your online compiler and start running the program. If we run this program, we will be getting this result, because the output is given as here. You can test it out. In this way, today we have completed 5 important questions, which is understandable to you, I think. Few more problems will be coming with the next class. Having any doubt, please make the comment. If you understand those, please like it. If you have not subscribed previously, kindly subscribe it. Thank you. See you in the next class.